Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to do a quick video. The Jeep is back from a local shop that did the Fore Innovations dual fuel pump install. And I just want to show you real quick how it's mounted. So it's hard to see, but this is the tank right here. You have to drop the tank to do this install. I didn't want to do it on the ground, so I'm glad I sent it out. You know, it costs a pretty penny, but worth it. Tested and comes with a warranty type deal for the install. So as you can see right here, dash 8, out, dash 8 back. It runs over here against the frame rail. Then you see the fuel filter element. It continues to run up, and then this is where it kind of does a cutover near like the subframe and then up into the bay. So let's get up and show you the bay. All right, so if we come into the bay, you'll see right here as well, this is where the breaker kit goes for the power. You can see the fuel lines coming in over here on the back side of the valve cover. So the way I went ahead and did it was we went ahead and fed the driver's side first. And then also, please note, for billet fuel rails and Demon injectors, you have to buy this little seat collar. Did not know that. So I had to order that as like a secondary thing. They're pretty cheap. I think they're like $3 a piece. Or $1.50 a piece, I can't remember. And so, but you need that because the injector and the rail, unfortunately, it wiggles too much in the seat. So you had to get that for the rails. So please, and that is not an option, drop-down option when ordering the dual kit. Again, if you're using 1000cc like IDs or FICs or whatever, maybe it doesn't matter. I'm not sure. All right, so like I said, we went ahead and fed the rear of the driver's side of the rail. And then it does a crossover right here to the passenger side. Passenger side feeds. So we come out on the back side and we come over to the Fore adjustable fuel pressure regulator, which is set up the way it needs to be set up. And then from there, it comes out the bottom and then feeds back over to the driver's side and then gets shot back down on like the, following like the body rail and whatnot back into the tank. Another thing is, I have the controller for the dual pump kit. There's a grommet section where it can pass through here, so it's kind of hard to see, but you see the wires right there. Yep, that is the pass through the body from the tank, and it's mounted underneath the seat. So that's what controls the pump. You want that to be inside the car for sure. It's not weatherproof, and that's what basically says the signal for the power. So it's back, it's all set. And then the other thing that I did was I installed a Dings valve body. So their performance valve body. So I went ahead and got that installed while I was up on the lift also. And I had a leaky turbo return line, so I had a bunch of stuff taken care of at the same time. So yep, that's pretty much it. That's the updates on the Jeep. Dings valve body, new return line, and Fore Innovations dual fuel pump kit installed. Up next is tuning.